whole Rishikesh belt has come alive suddenly, and this has become a major activity. This is only in one portion of Himalayas. Can you imagine when this activity starts all over the country?
The need for contact with pollution-free nature, while being guaranteed all the props of 20th century comfort, also seems to be wooing the urban Indian to come river running on the Ganga.
We have septic tanks, running water, electricity, total control of environment, littering, no pollution. You have to invest. The environment, health, this is why you want to get away from these polluted cities. And this is why you want to spend in these beautiful, pristine areas where the air is perfect, the beaches are sandy, the waters are perfect.
And to woo the urban clientele, Kohli recently launched an innovative addition to the whole program. A motorboat ride from Rishikesh, up the Ganga and all the way to Prayag. With championships being held on a regular basis, it is but evident that river sports in India is here to stay. Here in Shivpuri, as the sun sets over the Himalayas. For the young sportspersons assembled here to participate in the Under-21 Championship, it was time to unwind after a hard day's rowing.